In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unlike notes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram, and once it is done, tap right here to go to your DMs, where at the top of this list we'll find all notes from our contacts on Instagram. And then let's say we accidentally liked some note and we would like to remove that like from the particular note. The process is very simple because all we have to do is just tap right here at this notes text. That will show us this pop-up. As you can see, the note is currently liked. And then, guys, all we have to do to unlike it is just tap right here, and basically that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.